prospective new client has asked us to provide them with a demonstration of what it's like to use our basic programs to generate a family of forms that can be used one at a time or collectively. So our least experienced team member created intelligent documents for assembly from 5 of their forms. The first form took about an hour. The remaining 4 forms took about an hour as well. So all 5 forms were created in about 2 hours. Our task then is to create a set from those forms. So we will create a set, give it a name, in this case a category name I think would be best. And with that, we'll have the program reach out, find the 5 forms, and build a set to contain them. With our set built, all that's required now is to select which of the 5 forms we'd like to complete. And for this demonstration, we'll select them all. The program has created a single questionnaire, and it is confirming that these are the 5 forms that we'd like assembled intelligently. We'll go into a file, load answers that we already have from previous matters with the same people. We have a couple questions that need further answers, so we'll put in a marriage date, and we'll choose a new name for the order and click Fill. The program will ask us how we'd like to store this. We'll store it in a completely finished Word document with all the metadata scrubbed out of it, so it's ready to go out of the office to the court, or to opposing counsel, to the client. And now the program will take several seconds, but only seconds, to build each of the 5 documents that we requested with perfect accuracy. The total working time will be approximately 1 minute for all 5 documents, with approximately 2,000 words and about 50 variables. And here's the 5th one. So done in 50 seconds. Here are the 5 documents. We'll take a look at the corroborating witness. Format is correct. The details are correct. All the information is ready to go. The plaintiff affidavit. All set to go. The complaint. And so on. Final decree. Typically, of course, you wouldn't complete all these documents at the same time. Typically, this shows the power of the program where you can complete multiple documents based on the same information, and you can complete them either sequentially or simultaneously. Preparation of this took about 2 hours for all 5 forms. That time investment is now behind us, and from now on, we can build a complete set of these documents in less than 1 minute. Thank you for watching.